So these have been soaking in iron out all day long since about, I don't know, about 10, 11 o'clock this morning. And I am now going to take them out and move them over to the baking soda water just to see what they'll do, what they look like. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks good. Drop it in there. That's bacon. I have no idea how much to use, so I'll just dump a bunch in there. Alright. They're looking really good. Alright. I don't think the barite on there liked the acid bath. There's that one. Ooh-wee. Gonna be lots of little pretties in here, and some of these will be given away. Some of you will be getting boxes in a couple of weeks from me that's gonna have some in it. Most of you already know who you are because y'all been waiting for like a month on me to send stuff, or longer. I'm sorry, I am so slow about getting my stuff out, but you'll get some soon enough. It's not like we all don't have a ton of boxes laying around anyway, right? Alright. Let's see. No, my back is starting to hurt. Let me stand up. Oh, this is all growing back from last year. I haven't done anything to it. Just set them out here and let nature take its course. No telling what all the squirrels have planted in there, or the birds. But I haven't done anything to them except bring them outside to get them out of the house. I was going to. I've got potting soil. I've got seeds. I just never got around to it. And then by the next thing you know, it's either pouring down rain or it's too hot. Alright, let's get back to the rocks. There's another little nice little plate. Nope, we don't want them on top of each other. Oh, I got that in my glove. Oh well, at least it's the baking soda water and not the acid, right? Pretty plate. I think that's barite on the back, but I can't be 100% sure. them off of each other. Give them some room to kind of breathe and absorb that baking soda. There's a pretty little crystal. Put you down there. It's really hard to show them with these tongs. Alright, one more. Get all the chalcedony on there. Alright, we got them in there. Let's drop some of these big ones in here and see how they take that. That's probably enough for now. Washing off my glove. Now look at the pretty rocks. Alrighty. Let's put rocks up there so my gloves don't roll away. Alright. Hopefully no critters will come by and bother them. Alright. Of course, I'm sure my nephew will absolutely love to come out here and stir something up. Let's see what we got. Haven't had no critters in the back for a while. It's too hot. Anyway, I'm going to end this now and thank y'all for watching.